Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how and where to find the saved for later videos on YouTube are and how you can actually delete them from. So remember, when you come over here on YouTube, right, for example, you want to watch a particular video, right, and you click on it and you essentially click save it for later, save to watch later, right? You click on this, you just save it to watch later. Then you want to click on the list that appears over here, right? So you have the list with all the videos that you save to watch later, meaning you're working or you're busy, you cannot watch it, but you like the thumbnail, you like the title, you're not sure what is the video about, but you want to see it. You add these videos to this list, and when you come to this list over here with save videos, you're gonna click on the three dots next to each of the videos. For example, you watch this one. So for this example, guys, we're over here. So how we are actually deleting this video from here? So when you click over here, you have a three functions. The last one, which is of course remove from watch later, is the one we're looking to get. So you're gonna have a list of videos that you saved. You click on the three dots next to it, and then you click remove from the watch later. This is how simple it is, guys, to save videos for the list of watch later, find the list of videos that you want to watch later, and how you can actually delete the videos from the list watch later. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.